Hello. This is Shay Jones and welcome. And if this is your first time clicking on my video, you are absolutely welcome. Thank you for taking time out of your day to watch this video. And as you can see from the title, you already know why we are here. So let's get right into it. Ladies, we are queens and we should look, walk, talk like one. Why on earth will you decide, even if it's just to go to Tesco, Walmart, anywhere, why would you decide to put a bonnet on your head? And don't get me wrong, don't misconstrue me. I'm not berating bonnets in any way. I love bonnets. They protect and keep my hair warm, safe, and protected. So I absolutely love it. But when you something that is supposed to be worn in bed, outside, that is when the question arises. Why will ladies and people who call themselves queen and go out with bonnets on? Because believe it or not, it just signals to the other person that look at me, I am a woman who gives no care about her appearance. I don't care how I look. This is how I look in the morning. I don't care what you think. This is me. This is real. And it's nothing like that. Because it just shows that you lack respect for your own self. And please, riddle me this. If you look like someone that does not care about themselves, why on God's green earth do you expect me that does not know you to care about you? If you look like you don't even care about yourself. Please and please and please, I am literally on my knees begging. We need to stop this nonsense. Yes, it is nonsense. Take time out, put on a chapstick, lip gloss, make your eyes pop, even if it's just mascara, eyeliner, a little powder here and there, concealer. And honestly, if you even have a great clear skin, you really don't even need to do much. Throw on a headband wig or brush your hair and leave and go outside. Yes, ladies, I know we are just going for like a salt run or a pepper run or a flour run. We really don't need to look. No one is going to look at us. It's going to be just for 5 minutes and we're back. But you never know. You never know who is there. You can meet your partner. You can meet your soon-to-be best friend. You can meet your soon-to-be employer. You never ever know. Just always look presentable. And I don't know about you, but me, when I dress well and I look presentable, I tend to be happy and be confident. So it gives me that sense of self-esteem and confidence so I can take on my day. If you look like someone that does not care, how do you bring in that confidence? You can never be confident looking like that. And if you think you don't care and you're confident and you can go out with a bonnet, you don't care, we need to stop that idea, ladies. We are queens. Stop looking like peasants. You are not a peasant. You are a queen and you should be treated and you should look like one. We always say that, we are queens. We don't look like one. We need to really stop being lazy and take time out of our day to look presentable. And no one is saying look like a drag queen or look like you're going to a fashion show. Just look presentable for yourself. It's for yourself. It shows that you respect yourself, ladies. It shows that you love yourself. Self-love. What every single person has been preaching since. Self-love, love yourself. How are you going to tell me that you love yourself when you look like you don't? How am I going to believe you? Please, ladies, I think it's time. It's 2021. It's summertime. It's time to start looking presentable and looking like the queen that we are. And we know deep down that we are. That inner goddess in us needs to come out, and it can't come out if we look like a peasant. Please, ladies, please. It's really time to start taking time out and dressing well and putting in the little effort, because every single thing counts. I really hope that you reevaluate your decisions and start putting in effort, ladies, because we are queens and I believe that we should be treated like one. Thank you so much for taking your time out to watch this video, and if you liked it, please like it, share, subscribe, and leave your comments down below, because I really want to see what you have to say. If you agree with me, why you agree, and if you disagree, why you disagree. Maybe I need to update my thinking. But please, for now, before you update me, I think it's best we take our time out and look presentable. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you have an amazing day.